In this video, I will guide you on how to send a trade request on Roblox. First, open Roblox on browser or app and log into your account. Make sure you have a Roblox Premium membership. Trading is only available for premium users. Now go to the profile of the player you want to trade with. Tap or click on these three dots on their profile page and select Trade Items from the menu. If you do not see this option, the user may have trading disabled. On the trade screen, choose the items you want to offer from your inventory. Select the item you want from the other player. Review the trade carefully to make sure it is correct. Optionally, add Robux if the trade allows it. Now click on the Make Offer option. Confirm the trade request. The other player will receive your trade request and can accept, decline, or counter the trade. To view pending trades, go to Trade section in your Roblox account menu. Always double check item values before sending a trade to avoid scams. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.